Hey guys and girls, well, I'm excited to bring you a color spotlight today for TressAllure. I am wearing the ASHLYN style, which is very similar to the Noriko Angelica, except that ASHLYN costs considerably less. Same type of wig, same basic cap. ASHLYN retails for $149. Noriko's Angelica retails for $191.25. So if you like Angelica but want something a little bit more budget friendly, check out ASHLYN. Now, I've already done a wig review for ASHLYN. I will leave that in the video description box under this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about this beautiful color, Mimosa HL Rooted. This is an auburn strawberry blonde base with pale blonde highlights. You can see them here. And a medium brown root. I really like this color. It's very dynamic, a little bit of light auburn, a little bit of pale blonde. Let me do a 360 so that you can see this color from all sides. Here we are at the front. Left side. The back. Right side. And let me show you the front. Now, this is not a lace front, but you can see how the roots look here at the front. If you're interested in purchasing ASHLYN or another style in this beautiful Mimosa HL color, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now, when you visit their website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below. Now, if you've worn ASHLYN or the Mimosa HL color, we would love to hear your opinion. Please subscribe. Subscribing to my channel is free, and you'll receive an alert every time I upload a wig review, color comparison video, how-to video, or a giveaway. It's free, it's fun. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.